The Senate President, Senator Godswill Akpabio, while speaking during a courtesy visit by the Special Envoy of the Speaker of the Korean National Assembly, Honorable Soo Byung-soo, explained that President Bola Tinubu is determined to turn Nigeria into an aid-giving country like Republic of Korea.
The Senate will support your bid for the Expo 2013 to be hosted in Korea, and at the same time we have noted your request for a strong Korean-Nigeria Parliamentary Friendship Association, and we totally support that move, and we'll do everything to belong to that association.
He pledged that the Senate and the current administration in the country will work together towards fostering a closer relationship with the Republic of Korea.
We are very determined in this current administration of President Bola Tinubu to also turn Nigeria from being a country that receives aid to a country that also gives out aid. And that means by improving our GDP, by improving our internally generated revenue, and doing everything right to wipe out corruption, strengthen the Naira, and make sure that we remain more focused to be the leading country economically in the whole of West Africa.
Charity Tanko, ITV.